Welcome to this complete Kusadasi Turkey travel guide. First on our list is the ancient city of Ephesus. Stepping into Ephesus is like stepping back in time, straight into the heart of the ancient world. Once a thriving trade center, Ephesus was a beacon of culture and sophistication, attracting scholars, artists, and merchants from across the globe. The city's grandeur is still evident today. Here one can marvel at the remnants of the Temple of Artemis, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Then, there's the Celsus Library, a monument to knowledge and wisdom, its graceful facade a testament to the city's intellectual prowess. Don't forget the Great Theatre, a colossal structure capable of hosting 25,000 spectators, where gripping dramas and gladiator fights once kept audiences on the edge of their seats. Having walked through history, it's time to pay a visit to a place of serene tranquility. Next, immerse yourself in the peace of the House of Virgin Mary. This serene sanctuary, nestled in the lush green hills near Ephesus, holds a special place in the hearts of both Christians and Muslims. It's believed to be the last residence of Mary, Mother of Jesus, and it's been beautifully preserved, maintaining a sense of tranquility and reverence. Visitors from all over the world flock here, not just for its religious significance, but also for its soul-soothing ambience. The garden surrounding the house is a haven of calm, with birds singing sweetly in the trees and a soft breeze rustling the leaves. A highlight of the visit is the wishing wall, where people tie their written prayers and wishes, hoping for divine intervention. And don't forget to fill your bottles with the holy water that flows from a nearby source, believed to have healing properties. From the tranquility of a sacred site, let's transition to a lively beach scene. Our third stop is the popular Ladies' Beach. Picture pristine sandy stretches meeting crystal clear waters, a blissful retreat for sun lovers. But it's not just about the sun and surf. The vibrant beachside scene is equally captivating. With a bevy of cafes and restaurants dotting the shore, you're never far from a refreshing drink or a tantalizing bite. So, whether you're a beach bum or a foodie, Ladies' Beach has you covered. After soaking up the sun, it's time for some wilderness exploration. Fourth on our list is the Dilek Peninsula National Park. This is not just a park, it's an untouched paradise. A green oasis teeming with diverse flora and fauna. It's a real treat for nature lovers. Get ready to encounter wild boars, jackals, and if you're lucky, even a few lynxes. Don't forget your binoculars. The park offers a plethora of hiking trails, each one more enchanting than the last. Wander through the pine forests, explore the olive groves, and don't miss the chance to climb the hills for a breathtaking view of the Aegean Sea. The sea itself is a sight to behold, with its turquoise waters stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a perfect backdrop for those unforgettable holiday snaps. And remember, the park is not just about nature. It tells a story, a tale of conservation and coexistence. So, strap on those hiking boots and let's take a walk on the wild side. After a wild adventure, let's wander around a picturesque marina. Next, we stroll around the beautiful Kusadasi Marina. A place where luxury meets leisure, the marina is a delightful sight of opulent yachts elegantly docked. Waterfront restaurants offer tantalizing cuisine, their terraces perfect for soaking in the atmosphere. As the day wanes, the marina dons a spectacular canvas of hues, the sunset painting the sky with strokes of orange and pink. It's a sight that leaves you breathless every time. From a relaxing stroll, let's move to an exciting shopping spree. At number 6, we have the bustling Kusadasi Grand Bazaar. A labyrinth of color, scent, and sound, this marketplace is a veritable treasure trove. From hand-woven Turkish rugs that tell tales of ancient tradition to intricate jewelry with designs as diverse as the nation itself, there's something for everyone here. While the bazaar is a feast for the eyes, it's equally a delight for the taste buds. Food stalls, brimming with local delicacies, offer you a chance to taste the true essence of Turkish cuisine. From succulent kebabs to sweet baklava, every bite is a culinary adventure. A word to the wise, haggling is not just a tradition, but an art form here. So don't shy away from a bit of friendly bargaining. It's all part of the experience. As you wander through the maze of stalls, each one offering a slice of Turkish culture, you can't help but feel like a part of this bustling symphony of life. With bags full of souvenirs, let's head to a historical island. Our 7th stop is the Pigeon Island and its fortress. This historical gem was once a strategic port and naval base, standing guard over Kusadasi's coast for centuries. Now it's a peaceful haven where time seems to stand still. Here you can lose yourself in the echoes of the past, as the fortress whispers tales of bygone eras and maritime adventures. As you wander through the ancient stone walls, your eyes will be drawn to the breathtaking views of the Aegean Sea. The azure waters stretch out as far as the eye can see, a vibrant canvas of blues that perfectly contrasts the fortress's rugged stone. Just imagine, generations of seafarers have navigated these very waters, their stories now part of the island's rich tapestry. And if you climb to the top, there's a quaint cafe waiting for you. Here you can sip a cup of Turkish tea while soaking in the panoramic vista. From historical insights to thrilling water rides, let's move on. Eighth on our list is the exciting Adaland Aqua Park. Imagine a world where water slides aren't just slides, but thrilling adventures, where wave pools aren't just pools, but oceans of fun. At Adaland, you'll find a variety of these and much more, ensuring fun for everyone from the young ones to the young at heart. It's an oasis of excitement, laughter and memories waiting to be made, so be prepared to get soaked in amusement and joy. After the thrill, let's take a serene boat trip. At number 9, we have a relaxing boat trip around the Aegean coast. The Aegean Sea, a mesmerizing blend of deep blue and turquoise, is a spectacle that seems almost too beautiful to be real. As your boat gently slices through the water, you'll be treated to breathtaking views of the coastline, a fringe of green against the expansive blue. The rhythm of the waves becomes a soothing soundtrack to this unforgettable experience. But that's not all. The Aegean is teeming with marine life. If you're lucky, you might spot dolphins playfully leaping in and out of the water, their silhouettes etched against the horizon. Perhaps you'll see a shoal of fish shimmering beneath the surface, or a sea turtle gracefully gliding by. This boat trip is more than just a journey. It's an opportunity to connect with nature, to feel the pulse of the ocean beneath you, to experience the magic of the Aegean. From sea to land, let's visit another historical site. Our 10th stop is the Temple of Artemis. Immerse yourself in the ancient world as we delve into the history of this remarkable temple. Once a majestic tribute to the Greek goddess Artemis, it was considered one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Its grandeur and architectural prowess remain a testament to the advanced civilization of Ephesus. Today, the temple's ruins continue to fascinate and inspire, echoing the splendor of an era long gone. From an ancient temple, let's explore a mystical cave. Next, we explore the mystical Cave of Zeus, a treasure trove of natural beauty. This cave is home to a dazzling pool of crystal clear water, surrounded by awe-inspiring stalactites and stalagmites. But there's more than meets the eye. Legend has it, Zeus himself bathed in this very pool. Imagine dipping into the same waters as the king of the gods. Quite the divine dip, wouldn't you say? From the cave, let's move to a charming village. Our final stop is the charming Sirince village. A place where you can feel the touch of history in every stone house that lines its winding streets. These traditional homes are a testament to the village's rich heritage and provide a picturesque backdrop to your visit. In Sirince, the air is always filled with the intoxicating aroma of the local wine. Made from the fruits of the region, these wines are a celebration of the land's bounty. With every sip, you will experience the unique flavors and the warmth of Turkish hospitality. The village is also renowned for its beautiful panoramic views of the surrounding countryside. As you explore, you'll come across quaint shops selling handmade crafts, a testament to the locals' artistic talent. And let's not forget the local cuisine, a delightful array of dishes prepared with fresh local ingredients that will leave your taste buds asking for more. And with that, we conclude our journey through the enchanting Kusadasi. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you on the next adventure.